How to make mission control keyboard friendly. In Snow Leopard, when you expose, you can navigate to each window by using the keyboard arrow keys. With Lion, this is not possible anymore. Does anyone know how to make the arrow keys work in mission control?
Here is a list of mission control related keyboard actions that I've discovered through both the docs and trial and error. There seem to be two main modes that you can launch into, and each mode has its own set of key bindings. Normal/desktops mode, Control Up. This mode shows your apps for the current desktop and a row of available desktops across the top. Go to left desktop, Control. Go to right desktop, Control. Toggle preview of highlighted application window, spacebar. Switch to application windows mode. Application windows mode, Control plus down. This mode shows you a tiled view of all of the application windows, across all desktops, for a single application. Navigate through tiled application windows. Select highlighted application window, return. Toggle preview of selected application window, spacebar. Cycle forward through applications. Cycle backward through applications, tab.
You'll want to go to System Preferences and GT, Keyboard and GT, Keyboard Shortcuts and GT, Mission Control. There you will see commands you can bind keyboard shortcuts to.
In the Control panel, select Keyboard Preferences Mission Control, then you can bring back the keyboard commands for switching to a particular space. I've always worked with 4 spaces, and now Control 3 brings me to space 3, Control 4 to space 4, etc. I do miss having the current space displayed in the menu bar. My next quest is to find this.
I have found that in Mission Control I can use Command to switch between open applications, although Command does not seem to do anything. Also note that pressing Return after the correct window is displayed does not exit Mission Control with that application focused. It seems that you must press Escape. You can also navigate between workspaces in Mission Control by pressing Command Control and either or. Once again, I find it necessary to press Escape to leave Mission Control with that workspace focused. If some of these keyboard shortcuts do not work for you, then you can check in the Keyboard Shortcuts section of the Keyboard System Preferences.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.